So hello guys, since up to last video we learned that how to add new project to our portfolio. So in this video we will create the skeleton of the project, that is WBS, work breakdown structure. To add WBS we need to click project menu. So here we will click the project menu, then after we will click on WBS, and here you can see that WBS section has opened. Okay, so to add the WBS we will click on plus symbol here, that is add. So let us add with the WBS name as foundation. This will be our very first WBS. Okay, just increase it. So this is the WBS code. You can for the easiest way you can keep it as 1. Then again we will click here RCC bridge. Then we will add the next WBS, that is we will name it as substructure. Okay, and you can see the arrow option. So since this is the first WBS and this is second, so what we will do, that we will move it downwards. You can see here now it has came downwards. And then now again click to this RCC bridge and click on plus symbol here and name it as superstructure. Now move it downwards. So this is the way how we created WBS.